Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Hyundai Elantra SEL in Lakeside Blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 42,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5842B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.